Hi everyone, we're Group 13, presenting Lecture Note MCQ Generator with Explainable AI. An AI-powered system that transforms lecture notes into multiple-choice questions, and a module XAI will provide feedback by explaining answers. For problem statement, students struggle to convert lecture notes into effective learning materials. Students spend more time organizing notes instead of active learning. Most AI quiz systems act as black boxes with no clear explanations. To address problem, our objective is to develop an intelligent system that automatically generates MCQs from lecture notes using natural language processing, NLP. Not only that, to enable the system to process multiple input formats. Lastly, to deploy explainable AI to clarify key concepts and deepen student comprehension of lecture notes. What are the modules implemented in LNMCQ? Document Processing Module, MCQ Generation Module, Explainable AI Module, MCQ Management Module. How to use LNMCQ. LNMCQ shows how AI and NLP can turn lecture notes into meaningful MCQs with clear, explainable feedback. With explainable AI, our system improves transparency, supports effective revision, and boosts learning engagement. Overall, LNMCQ provides a scalable and trustworthy solution for modern education. We are from Group 13. Thank you for your watching.